Hello, Namaste. Welcome to my Good channels. I hope everybody is fit and fine during this COVID situation. Even I am also doing good. In today's video, we will cover in literacy topic patterns. We will do standing line and sleeping line as you can see on the board what I have drawn. Now, why we should learn all these patterns? Before children should start to write ABCD or numbers, these patterns are very important to learn as because it will develop their handwriting, because it's a pre-writing activity you can say, or it's a pre-writing skills. Through this their handwriting will be improved as well as fine motor development will be there. Hello children. Welcome to my class. Do you know who has come to our class today? Let's meet. This is Mr. Standing. His name is Mr. Standing. And he is Mr. Sleeping. His name is Mr. Sleeping. Okay? Do you know why their mama has given their name as Standing and Sleeping? Let me tell you. This boy, as you can see, always standing. He never wants to sit. He never wants to sleep. So mama has given his name as Standing. Okay? But this boy, you can see, always sleeping. He never wants to stand. He never wants to sit. So mama has given his name Standing. So now you know what is standing. See, this image is of standing line, top to bottom. This is standing line, top to bottom. Okay? So this is standing line. Next we have sleeping line. As you can see, sleeping line from left to right. From left to right. This is sleeping line. Okay? Now, if you all can tell me, is this the tree is in sleeping position or standing position? Is it in sleeping position? No. This is in standing position, as you can see. This boat, as you can see, it sailing in the river. Now, the position of the river and the ship is in sleeping position. Okay, it's in sleeping position. So this image is of sleeping position. Again I have these flowers are in standing position. Okay, this girl is also standing, as you can see. See, as you can see what I have in my hand, this is scale. Okay, now this is in standing position from top to bottom. Standing position from top to bottom. Okay, standing position. Now I will keep this scale like this. Now it's in sleeping position from left to right. Sleeping position, left to right. Sleeping position. Okay. Now let's do some tracing on hard surface or on your books. You can do or do anywhere you want. Okay, but don't do the lines and all. Just use your two fingers. One is middle finger and one is index finger, and trace like this. Standing line from top to bottom. This is standing line. From left to right, sleeping line, from left to right, sleeping line, from left to right. This is sleeping line. As you can see, this is standing line and this is sleeping line. Next we have, let's do it with hands. Okay, just all of you do your hand like this. Okay, now do like this. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Now we will trace standing line and sleeping line in air. हवा में हम standing line और sleeping line बनाएंगे. वो कैसे? 2 fingers use करेंगे, middle finger and index finger. Okay, and start from top to bottom, standing line, and sleeping line. Again use 2 fingers, left to right, left to right. So this is sleeping line. Now you understand what is sleeping line and what is standing line. I will show you some more images. Okay. These are standing lines and these are sleeping lines. Okay. These are standing lines and these are sleeping lines. Thank you.